Hi, so I'm making an update, part 3 on the mini printer. I've connected all the electronics. This is my motherboard, probably know it from my last project. It's exactly the same. I've just cleared one here for the second, this was used for the second Z-axis, but now there's only one. Alright, this one is fixed with double tape here. I've put aluminum foil on the plexiglass. Of course, it's just temporary, this one. You can see it's a bit wavy because it's just just wrapped around here. Let me see if I can. Alright, so this end stop, I put a screw in here. See this one, and a magnet on it, so that acts as the end stop for here. For the other axis, it's a magnet put on this screw. I've mounted the print head, so we have the probe. It's an induction, that's why I put the aluminum. Of course, this one is temporary, just I want to show you how it works. Alright, I've connected all the wires. The loop of the wires, it's hanging from the Bowden tube. Alright, so let's power it. It's already connected to the PC. Let me turn off the light. Okay, so it's Clipper. Probably have seen it before. And I'm gonna try for hightmap. Alright, so we're gonna do homming first, home all axes. See, turn this one here. Okay, so everything is home. Now I'm gonna hit sorry for the light, calibrate. Alright, okay, and let's see the result. Yes, of course, it's not very pretty. We have like between 0 1.3 millimeters, but okay, so this is the result. Let me go back here. So maybe let's lift a bit the bed. So let's put it like 25 millimeters height. Okay, now I can remove this. Alright, so you can see it's very wavy, so it's normal for the result. It's not just the bed, it's I just put it, you see it's just wrapped around here, so it works a bit. Alright, so the next thing I need to do right now, it's do something with the bed, because probably I cannot print over the aluminum, but otherwise my induction, it doesn't work. So I need to figure, either I will put maybe a steel plate on this, that one that has PAI on top for prints, and that will be picked like this, or maybe use this end stop here. And I also have these springs for the bed, but I need to adjust this a bit. So in the next video I will fix this problem with the bed, and you'll probably see the first print cube, a small one for XYZ axis, to see how well it prints. Okay, so this is the latest update. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you wanna see more.